ass back. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Back the up. Yo, get him. Don't let this bitch touch me, bro. We're together. It's crazy, bro. Not him. I love you. We're together. So what's going on? I put a restraining order on this bitch. He called my mama and motherfucker said, oh, same kind of bullshit. You lying and shit. Man, what are you doing?
There's only Hunger Games today.
Huh?
I mean, there's only one game so far. So where's the other one?
Where's the old one? I like this. You know, people are outside enjoying the sun, kids hanging. I love it. I love this.
We can literally just chill. We can chill over here. Doesn't matter too. But I just gotta make a phone call with the coach.
Making place out. What's good, my people? You know, we here with the family.
Yeah, we just
Hello,
walking.
guys. Yeah.
We're looking for a place to eat.
Not gonna lie, I know she'll be doing like vlogs and all that. I have not watched one video yet.
You have?
But I always like the videos. You know what I mean? I always liked it, but I did not have the chance to watch it. How about you?
I did watch. Yeah, I did.
The whole like the
I
entire
come
video.
in. Yes, I did. I did.
You did watch
I was the first and the second part of your off-roading
And
video,
as you can
bro.
see, he likes her, so I'm not surprised.
Is that an issue?
No, big issue. You see the papa over there? I'm
That's
saying
my
talking
papa
to the
right
mic.
Nigga, there's bitches that want to stop recording you.
That's tough. That's tough.
I told you. See, that's the problem. He doesn't know how to. You see,
Y'all trying to prove me right now. Like,
we're
calm
not
down.
trying to put you.
Yeah.
There's
Y'all
a time and place.
Facts, you know?
There's a time and place.
Not all the time. Yeah. It's all good. You have
Let's go back to the hood then.
Wow, I ain't going back to. I'm not from no hood. Shoot, I'm not from there.
See, I'm telling you, Starbucks. Starbucks like that.
I want to go to the Jamaican experience and see.
Jamaican?
Yeah, right there.
Where is it?
Oh, no.
Oh,
Let me
really?
tell you something. The price is ridiculous.
I want to see it. I've never been in.
Price
I'm not gonna lie. Cold, no cold. Hey, Jamaican
If they have
experience.
like
Oxtail.
jerk chicken, oxtail, I'm gonna buy it, bro.
So you're looking for now real food, basically.
Yeah. Yo, I started vlogging late, but it's okay though. It's just okay. Is it? I think that's just tables. And it's Sunday too. Get back to you. We are Jamaican experience right now. And
It's fancy stuff.
look at date here. Ooh, they got one upstairs.
Alright. Well, these for like private and high dining area.
They about to spend a lot of money for no reason.
Huh?
They about to spend a lot of money for no reason.
It's good food.
What you get?
He don't get it.
I mean, we can share. share if you want some
What do you
more.
want to
Jerk chicken. I got rice and peas and mashed potatoes and cabbage. You can share if you want.
He just some runs in 5 weeks. That's it. When I tell you I want him to eat more food, though, like experience the variety of the food.
You know what? That's fat energy.
More food.
Make sure you blur that out. Because I don't want you to get canceled.
You're not gonna get canceled. Nobody knows you.
Your page might get canceled.
No, it's hard. I mean, I don't think that's fat energy. You just want to experience something else. Like, if you ever like you eat African food, like every time, don't you want to like experience like Korean food or like some
Hell
else?
no.
No,
Hell no.
so it's just like straight African food all your life.
I'll eat other food except Korean, Chinese, none of that.
What about
Except the rice.
beautiful? Like what? Finished eating. It was good.
Actually, you didn't get the oxtail.
I'm glad I didn't. Go do it.
I don't know.
This shit is not fair, boo. Yo guys, I'm looking for one and choose. I'm trying to find like a good one, but I found these. Let me go pay for it. This man shop and
had somebody that was rushing us. Hmm? You know, I think everything's slowed down now, isn't it?
It's all good. For that love shit, it's all good.
I think it's right. We already cracked, but there's no title yet. You know what I'm saying?
They fuck already?
Oh, you ain't know?
No.
My fault. I didn't say anything, man.
It's alright, dude. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God, we gotta be on time. Oh my God, I don't got time.
Relax, but what's your problem?
Pauline, no.
I
Now,
did
Pauline.
complain.
Now, Pauline, do I have a problem?
No.
Oh, okay, alright.
I did complain.
I don't have a problem, bro. You
Okay.
good.
You do have a problem.
Go back.
Yo, these are the running shoes that I got. Oh, you wanna see it?
It's good.
No.
You didn't even see it.
I see it.
What color are they?
Pink.
Yeah, so the thing is, still grab your dad's car, alright? I'm gonna still grab your dad's car though, because I'm not gonna stay, you know. I don't want y'all to get stuck. No, that's my fault, blah.
No, it is your fault.
That's my fault.
It's always your fault.
You gonna do me? Okay, I see. I see. All the way.
It's cold as fuck.
She still watching?
I did. And we're gonna go see his team. They start again. I did not think it was gonna be this cold.
They want to.
That's them right there, right?
Is that Branson and go? Hey, that's just me over here.
You that bad?
It is that bad, bro. You didn't see me
They
when I
need
was
to go
running.
to the doctor then.
That's what I'm gonna do. But you see how like, let me go to the team physician.
Let's go.
No, with the club. Oh, the club. Ah, papa. See, not even record. That's record. Let me see.